Hi, I'm Neema and I welcome you all to my channel Tips and Tricks. Today I thought of sharing a Kerala spicy mixture recipe with you. It's a wonderful snack for all ages. First, let's start with the batter preparation. For this, I've taken 2 cups of chickpea flour or besan. Now into this, I'm going to add half cup of roasted rice flour. Now goes in 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Here I'm using Kashmiri chili. Next comes our asafoetida. Here I'm using half teaspoon of asafoetida, and then goes in our salt. Here I am going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. I am just going to mix it in, combine very well. Now from this flour mixture, let's take around 3/4 cup of flour into a separate bowl. So we have taken 3/4 cup. From this 3/4 cup of flour, we are going to make bundi. If you follow this video, you will come to know more about bundi. Now let's keep this aside, and to our remaining flour, let's add in 2 tablespoons of veg oil. 1 and 2. So I've added 2 tablespoons of veg oil. And then we require water. You might be requiring around 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water, and mix it to make a good batter. I'm just mixing in. Now I'm just going to use my hands. See, it's sticky, so I'm going to apply some oil into my hands, and then I'm going to mix it in so that we'll get a soft dough. Our dough is now ready. See, it is very soft. Now let's keep this aside and shall start with the batter preparation for making our bundi. Our batter should be in the consistency of a pancake or dosa batter. See, like this. So our batter is now ready. Other ingredients are 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 3/4 cup of roasted peanuts, 3/4 cup of split chickpeas, and few curry leaves. See, this is a presser I'm going to use. It's having holes. Now into this I'm going to drop in our batter. Let's press this mixture into a hot oil. And remember to keep your flame low. It will take about 30 seconds for both the sides. Now let's drain and keep this aside. Let's drain Same way, let's do with the rest of our batter. Now, let's make bundis. For this, I'm taking a slotted spoon like this. Let's pour this mixture in and fry the bundis. Let's drain and then drop it in. Next is to fry our peanuts. This too will take around 30 seconds. Let's drain and then keep aside. Our chickpeas are ready. Now it's time for our last ingredients, our garlic, the crushed garlic, and our curry leaves. I like to add curry leaves more because it gives a good flavor. It smells so good. We now have all our fried items ready. Now let's gently crush our seed. Next is to mix all our ingredients, our fried items. Mix well. Now for more flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of asafoetida and red chili powder. Combine. Our homemade snack is now ready. Let it cool for a while and then we'll transfer it to an airtight container like this. Hope you will try it out. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks. Do subscribe and share.